Is your FaceTime not working? Hello, everybody, and welcome back to our channel. And if your FaceTime is acting up, here are the best ways to fix it. First, make sure you are connected to the internet, either Wi Fi or mobile data. Next, go to Settings and scroll down and tap on Apps. Again, scroll down and tap on FaceTime and make sure FaceTime is turned on and that your Apple ID and your phone number are listed under you can be reached at. If your FaceTime is stuck on waiting for activation, try turning it off, waiting a few seconds, and turn it back on again. And if you're using screen time, check that the FaceTime is not restricted. You can also try restarting your iPhone or updating to the latest iOS version. And if none of that helps, try signing out and then signing back in with the Apple ID again. That should get FaceTime working again. And that's it. That's all for today's video. Thank you all for watching till the very end and stay tuned for our next upload.